If you're considering buying Mideerart, there are 7 key things you need to know before making a decision. I've spent some time with the product, and today I'll help you make an informed choice by giving you a breakdown, comparing it to other solutions out there, and showing you what you can expect. First off, Mideerart has positioned itself as a creative tool for both beginners and professionals, aiming to simplify the art-making process while providing plenty of flexibility. But before you buy, you should know that unlike competitors like Procreate or Adobe Illustrator, Mideerart places a heavy focus on accessibility. The user interface is streamlined and simple, making it ideal for those who want to get started with digital art without the steep learning curve. So, if you're looking for something that allows you to dive in quickly without a huge time investment, Mideerart could be a solid choice. Next thing you should know is about the feature set. While it may not have all the bells and whistles of more complex software like Adobe Suite, Mideerart excels in its core offerings. The brushes and tools are impressive for its category, giving you a lot of versatility. However, if you're someone who needs highly advanced features like 3D modeling or extensive vector manipulation, you might find some limitations here. It's built for quick, beautiful results rather than deep technical editing. Now, let's talk about pricing. One of the most attractive things about Mideerart is the value it provides at a competitive price point. It offers more affordable options compared to top-tier alternatives like Adobe Illustrator or CorelDRAW. Even more, they often run promotions, and you can get a great offer through the first link below, making it an ideal choice if you're on a budget but still want something professional. The fourth thing you'll want to keep in mind is Mideerart's compatibility. It works across a variety of platforms, including both iOS and Android, which makes it highly versatile if you want to use it across multiple devices. That being said, some competitors, especially more professional-grade tools, are better optimized for desktop use. If you're someone who works on a larger screen and doesn't mind a desktop-focused workflow, alternatives might still serve you better in that department. Moving on, the customer support is a significant part of the Mideerart experience. If you run into any issues, the support team is very responsive. They offer in-app help, tutorials, and even live chat. This is where Mideerart truly shines compared to other platforms, where you might have to wait for email responses or sift through extensive FAQs. In my experience, I found it easy to get help whenever needed. The sixth thing I want to mention is the community. Mideerart has an ever-growing base of users, and it's great for anyone looking to learn from others or share work. The community is active, with lots of online forums and social media groups where users can exchange tips, feedback, and even collaborate. It's a great bonus if you value social learning, but it's not as robust as the huge communities that tools like Procreate have built over the years. Finally, the trial and free features. If you're on the fence about making a purchase, you can get the best offer for Mideerart and even try it out completely free. The free trial is a great way to get a feel for how the software works before committing, and it includes most of the features you'll need. I'd suggest you click the first link in the description below to make sure you're getting the best deal available, along with exclusive benefits that'll enhance your experience. So if you're thinking about buying Mideerart, be sure to weigh these factors carefully. The product's accessibility, affordable pricing, and solid feature set make it an excellent choice for beginners and casual artists. But if you need more advanced tools, you might want to consider other software. But if you're ready to dive in and give Mideerart a shot, click the link below for the best free trial and enjoy some great bonuses along the way.